Wow.
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 Microscope. My favorite thing in the world is to look at things under the microscope. What phonemes do we hear in the word microscope? M-I-C-R-O-S-C-O-P. There's actually two words, micro and scope. So there's the grapheme, followed by an I. That's just an I on its own. Now we hear, that's a long vowel sound, just on its own. M-I. Now we hear there's a blend. K-R. A K and a R, so it's a C and the R together. M-I-K-R. And then there's an O, which is just an O on its own. So that's actually quite easy. There's the first word. Now we've got scope, sk, followed by an O. Now remember, one of the ways of getting the O is to have something magic at the end, and it's got a superpower. It turns it from an O into an O, and it's the magic E. So there we have it. M-I-C-R-O-S-C-O-P. Microscope. Now, microscope is a very long word, so let's see if we can break it up into syllables. I think there's probably going to be about 4 syllables. Let's see, microscope. Actually, 3. Okay, so let's look at the patterns. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. That's one of the patterns. I'm sure we'll use that one. And then the other pattern is vowel, consonant, vowel. We might also use that one. Let's have a look. Maybe not. There were a lot of consonants. Okay, so yeah, I think it's all consonants. Actually, not this one. Okay, there we go. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we've got micro. That's the first one. Now there's a vowel, consonant, vowel. So microscope. How do you spell microscope at the spelling bee? You have to say the name of the letters. M-I-C-R-O-S-C-O-P-E. M-I-C-R-O-S-C-O-P-E. And you'd get a gazillion points because it's a very long word.